Dasman Diabetes Institute organized a lecture on the latest developments in the HIV vaccine as part of their latest efforts in educating and raising awareness. The lecture was presented by a specialist physician from the University of Oxford in the United Kingdom. Here is more on the issue in a report by our correspondent Salim Al-Kandiri.
Visiting Professor of Molecular Medicine of the University of Oxford, Dr. Andrew McMicahel, presented today his lecture on the latest developments on the treatment of HIV.
Well, I'm reporting on where we are in trying to develop a vaccine for HIV. We're not there yet. It's very, very difficult, but we are making progress, and I'm getting more optimistic that we will be able to get there within a few years. Well, there are two main problems. One is that the virus can hide and be completely silent in the body, but then wake up and reinfect. So no drugs at the moment can eradicate the virus, and no vaccine can prevent that happening. The second is that it's very, very variable, so that if you have two people infected with the virus, the two viruses are very different, and even within one patient it can vary considerably, which makes it very easy for the virus to escape from immune responses.
There are no cure yet for the virus. However, the process of control and slowing down the spread of HIV are ongoing.
Today's event in HIV and what progress has been done throughout the world, as it started in early 80s, which is globally, and Kuwait at that time was the first country in the world to put together a big conference at Sheraton, which we did, and to make sure the people understand how it is transmitted and how can they prevent themselves. And from that time until now, we are probably one of the best ones in the region. Especially that we have the blood is controlled, and the other ways of also moving from one person to the other is not there as much as it is in many countries. But HIV still is a problem in general, especially in some other countries. And it requires still few more years in order to be able to control it completely. There is no vaccine for it, and there is no drug. But recently there have been announcement of the new drugs are being discovered.
In Kuwait, the cases are very rare, and there are advanced blood control and treatments unlike various other countries. Dasman Diabetes Institute organized today a presentation about the latest on the developments on HIV virus. As we gathered from the lecture today, there is no magic bullet, but however, there are attempts and developments to control and stop the virus from spreading. Salim Al-Kandiri, English News.